All right, guys. we got something special in the mail, all the way from McKinney, Texas. We're gonna do a little unboxing for you. You guessed it. It's the XRT. All right.
Oh, my bad.
I guess we're not doing an unboxing. I guess it's already out of the box.
Who needs a gym? It's a new year, new me.
Let's go rip.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we got the XRT here, you know, beautiful white color, and it looks amazing driving down the road. It looks like an X-Wing. Nick, would you tell us about your brand new baby?
XRT, big boy. We got under the hood, all stock for now. We got the 1200 kV motor. It looks like a nice V8.
Yeah.
VLX 8, 8S, 2 gigantic batteries.
They fit on each side. And the size of this thing is just incredible. Shocks are huge.
We got 2 Traxxas batteries. Went with the stock boys.
Yep.
Some bigums.
They are bigums.
As you can see the size of this thing here, I'm 7'3", 600 pounds, and look at this. It makes me look small. This thing is huge. Don't pay any attention to the Jeep behind me of that scale. But, you know, this thing is amazing how it flies through the air. And, yeah, I'd be scared to get hit by this thing. Someone definitely will get hit by it. And we'll make sure to get that on video, blowing somebody's ACL out.
Jeez. Yikes. Dang, it took a chunk of ground out with it. We got a Max versus an XRT. See who's gonna win.
Call it.
Let it rip! That's gonna make another pothole. Find you a Florida road with some potholes to have fun.
One of the only roads in Florida that has potholes.
Yeah.
We're gonna get hate from that in the comments. Many more, but not many that I've seen.
No, this is the only road in the entirety of Florida. You go to Texas, they're everywhere. Here?
This is actually, we're in Alaska.
Oh yeah, no, yes. Alaska. We're off the coast of, what's that? We're in Madrid now?
We're off the grid.
Oh.
We don't even have power. We just use solar to charge our batteries.
We go green. Better do with that.
Jump it.
Okay. XRT jump off.
Probably breaking it half. Oh,
That was
it's
perfect.
pretty stiff.
Just gotta find random trash to have fun, guys. Doesn't
like
take a lot.
Like cats.
But yeah, we're like
Play with
cats.
trash.
Oh! 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 You landed up in the tree!
Oh my god. I didn't do the math.
You didn't do the math.
Oh, bent the body.
Hey, you got another one?
Oh.
Yeah, you're good.
Looks good. Everything looks alright.
Dude, the thing is so...
Wow, landed right on the...
Looks like a V8 engine.
I know.
Landed, look, it creased the... This is bent in a little bit.
The
now.
body.
Dude, that thing flew.
Yes, it did. Into the treetops.
That one little lower branch, man. If it wasn't there, you'd have flew right.
We were like halfway in the,
You
halfway in the
were
concrete.
way clear past the...
Oh my gosh. How heavy is the XRT? In the road! Oh, almost in the road. Oh, they did go in the road. Oh my god. Oh my god. No.
Slippery ramp. Oh!
Don't lose the package. Oh, you lost the package.
As you can see on here, lost a little bit of skin on the top from sliding in the road, which you just saw. Not too bad, just one little scrape here, and I mean, honestly, not as bad as I thought it was going to be for sliding across the pavement at 40 miles an hour for however long.
And sliding into the road and almost getting taken out.
Into the middle of the road, I almost got crushed.
I've never seen you run so fast.
Get this chassis stiffener from M2C Racing. It is the 1283. And it's already got some skids on it.
But it's really saving this truck.
But it is definitely really good.
Hit a park stop right here. Bent it a little bit,
smacked into it. Smacked into a park stop and like nothing.
Just
Totally
ate
fine.
it.
Probably would have cracked this piece. I really smacked it.
Yep.
And no damage. So I highly recommend at least bare minimum this.
Go get you an M2C.
So also, I took some little foam bits and stuck it on the spots that were rubbing, and then here in the front too.
Very smart.
Yeah, it rubs here and here, and then the same thing on the back, these 4 points. And actually on the insides of these,
As you can
it
see.
rubs a little. So I just
Yeah.
put these little foam things, and if you want to know where you can get these, you can pick yourself up a little $11, $12 stand, and it comes with little circles, and those are the little sticky things that I put in the body over there.
Intuitive.
And, if you want to pick one of these up, we'll throw a link in the
Down below.
down below in the description. And as you can see, perfect for
A sledge.
a sledge.
Perfect for a Max.
Perfect for a Max. Here's one under there.
You can't even get the box out.
Got some suction going. Suction in the bottom. Yeah, hold it on my feet.
Semi-automatic. Rah, rah, rah.